The WAPDA Administrative Staff College, WASC, is a renowned institution located in Islamabad, Pakistan. It is an administrative training center that caters to the professional development capacity building of employees working in the Water and Power Development Authority, WAPDA, NTDCL, Gencos and Discos. The college aims to enhance the administrative, managerial, and technical skills of participants, enabling them to effectively address the challenges of the rapidly evolving energy and water sectors. WASC is situated in Islamabad, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities to support effective learning. It has modern lecture halls, seminar rooms, computer labs, a library, and recreational facilities. WASC offers a wide range of training programs cover various disciplines, including management, finance, engineering, human resource development, project management, and leadership. The training courses are designed to enhance both technical and managerial skills, enabling professionals to excel in their respective fields. WASC boasts a highly qualified faculty comprising experienced professionals, subject matter experts, and academicians. They employ interactive teaching methodologies, including case studies, group discussions, and practical exercises, to make the learning experience engaging and impactful. WASC collaborates with national and international organizations, universities, and research institutions to promote knowledge sharing and exchange. WASC actively engages in research activities related to the energy and water sectors. It conducts studies, publishes research papers, organizes conferences and seminars to promote the related knowledge. WASC Islamabad is a prestigious institution that plays a crucial role in enhancing the administrative and managerial capacities of professionals in the energy and water sectors. Through its comprehensive training programs, experienced faculty, and research initiatives, WASC contributes to the development and advancement of the energy and water sectors in Pakistan. Follow and subscribe to Engineers Pakistan for more videos.